Welcome to MLT Education Point. Today we are going to start some important MCQs of physiology. So let's start the video. MCQs number 1. Cerebrospinal fluid is present between dash layer of meninges. Option A, dura and pia mater. Option B, araconite and pia mater. Option C, dura and araconite. And option D, both A and C. So the correct option is the option B, araconite and pia mater. So cerebrospinal fluid or CSF is a clear, colorless, watery fluid that flows in and around your brain and spinal cord. So CSF is located in the sub-araconite space between the araconite and pia mater. Second MCQs is the wall present between right ventricle and pulmonary artery is called option A, aortic valve, option B, tricuspid valve, option C, pulmonary valve, and option D, bicuspid valve. So the correct option is the option C, pulmonary valve. Pulmonary valve is located between right ventricle and pulmonary artery, and aortic valve is located between the left ventricle and the aorta, and bicuspid valve or mitral valve is located between the left atrium and the left ventricle, and tricuspid valve is present between right atrium and right ventricle. Third MCQs is ECG stands for. So ECG stands for electrocardiogram. Electrocardiogram is a simple test that can be used to check the heart's rhythm and electrical activity. Fourth MCQs is lungs volume increases and decreases in dash. Option A, exhalation and inhalation. Option B, inhalation and tidal volume. Option C, exhalation and tidal volume. And option D, inhalation and exhalation. So the correct option is the option D, inhalation and exhalation. So lung volume increases in inhalation and decreases in exhalation. Fifth MCQs is which of the following cells found in the stomach and secrete pepsinogen enzyme? Option A, parietal cell. Option B, goblet cell. C option, APUD cell. And D option is the chief cell. So the correct option is the option D. Gastric chief cells secrete pepsin as an inactive zymogen called pepsinogen. 6 MCQs. What is the function of a tendon? Option A, to link bones to bones. Option B, to link muscles to bone. Option C, to link muscles to ligament. And option D, to bind the cells in compact bone close together. So the correct option is the option B, to link muscles to bone. MCQs number 7. All of the following are the functions of stomach except option A, it stores food for some time. Option B, it produces hydrochloric acid. Option C, it gets food from small intestine. And option D, it produces pepsin. So the correct option is the option C. So except the C option, all are the functions of the stomach. Now 8th MCQs is dash part of small intestine contains villi and microvilli for food absorption. Option A, duodenum. Option B, ileum. Option C, jejunum. And option D, rectum. So the correct option is the option C. Jejunum is the part of small intestine that contains villi and microvilli for food absorption. MCQs number 9. Dash joints allow rotational movement around single axis. Option A is pivot joint. Option B, sutures joint. Option C, saddle joint. And option D, gomphosis. So the correct option is the option A. So pivot joint allow rotational movement around single axis. And pivot joint are also called rotary joint or trochoid joint. MCQs number 10. GCA is the genetic code for Which amino acid? Option A is leucine, option B alanine, option C serine, and option D valine. So the correct option is the option B. So GCA is the genetic code for alanine amino acid. MCQs number 11. Dash is an organelle that plays an important role in cell division. Option A mitosis, option B Golgi bodies, option C centrioles, option D lysosome. So the correct option is the option C, centrioles. Centrioles is an organelle that plays an important role in cell division. MCQs number 12. In flight situation, that system activates. Option A autonomic nervous system, option B somatic nervous system, option C parasympathetic nervous system, and option D sympathetic nervous system. So the correct option is the option D. In flight or fight situation, sympathetic nervous system activates. MCQs number 13. Dash nerve carries signal from central nervous system to effector. Option A is mixed nerve, option B sensory nerve, option C motor nerve, and option D all of them. So the correct option is the option C, motor nerve. So the motor or efferent division carries motor signal by the way of efferent nerve fibers from the central nervous system to effectors, mainly glands and muscles. MCQs number 14. Dash is termed as capacitance vessels. Option A artery, option B vein, option C capillary. So the correct option is the option B. Veins is termed as capacitance vessels because they are capable of storing a significantly larger volume of blood than arteries due to their large lumen. Next MCQs number 15. Cerebrum is also termed as option A diencephalon, option B telencephalon, option C myelencephalon, and option D prosencephalon. So the correct option is the option B. So cerebrum is also termed as telencephalon. MCQs number 16. J receptor is involved in dash process. Option A nervous control, option B cardiac control, option C respiratory control, and option D urinary control. So the correct option is the option C, respiratory control. So J receptor or juxtacapillary or pulmonary C fiber receptors are sensory nerve endings located in the alveolar wall in close proximity to capillaries. MCQs number 17. Vital capacity of lung is option A 1.2 liter, option B 3 liter, option C 0.5 liter, and option D 4.6 liter. So the correct option is the option D. Vital capacity of lung is 4.6 liter, and vital capacity is the total volume of air exhaled after maximal inhalation, and it is calculated by summing tidal volume, inspiratory reserve volume, and expiratory reserve volume. MCQs number 18. Enterochromaffin-like cells are found in option A respiratory cells, option B gastric cells, option C gastric glands, and option D brain cells. So the correct option is the option C. So enterochromaffin are distinct type of neuroendocrine cells in the gastric mucosa underlying the epithelium, and enterochromaffin-like cells are found in gastric gland. MCQs number 19. Saliva contain dash enzyme involved in breakdown of sugar. Option A ptyalin, option B pepsinogen, option C lipase, and option D protease. So the correct option is option A, alpha amylase, that is ptyalin, which is produced by salivary gland. This enzyme begins starch digestion in the mouth. MCQs number 20. Ball and socket joints are found in dash part. Option A elbow, option B ankle, option C knee, and option D shoulder. So the correct option is the option D. Shoulder. Ball and socket joints are found in shoulder. And ball and socket joint are present between humerus and pectoral girdle. MCQs number 21. Dash epithelium has the ability to change its shape for the inflow of urine. Option A, cuboidal. Option B, transitional. Option C, columnar. And option D, compound. So the correct option is the option B. Transitional epithelium has the ability to change its shape for the inflow of urine. MCQs number 22. Meiosis occurs in dash cells of the body. Option A, germ cells. Option B, gametes. Option C, both A and B. And option B, somatic cell. So the correct option is the option C, both A and B. Meiosis occurs in germ cells or gametes. MCQs number 23. There are dash hydrogen bonds present between guanine and cytosine. Option A, double. Option B, triple. Option C, single. And option D, none of them. So the correct option is the option B. So there are triple or 3 hydrogen bonds present between guanine and cytosine. So students, if you understood this video, please like, subscribe and share to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.